Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline on the sideburn, we could then move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. Now that we're done detailing the beard, we could then move on to our gold FX and move on to the back neckline. I always start off at the bottom where work my way to the top arch using the corners of the blade, especially when I'm doing the neck airline and the C cup area. Make sure not to press too hard near the ear area and the bottom of the neck area because those are a little bit sensitive. Going back to the beard, we're going to start off at the middle and work our way to the side using a guard FX. Before we line him up, we're going to prep the hairline with a little bit of hairspray by combing everything into place and making sure nothing moves. Now that we're done prepping the hairline, we can use our gold FX to start off at the middle and work our way to the sides. We also want to make sure to keep his hairline as natural as possible and not keeping the corners too deep. You also want to make sure you go slow enough that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer, because if not, then the hair is going to shift and then you won't line them up properly. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show some extra support, go ahead and leave a follow on the Instagram down below. Now that we're done lining them up, we can move on to our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blade to make them as crispy as possible. But before we do that, we're going to apply some shave gel so that the blade could glide better. When you're using the blade, you want to stretch the skin as much as possible and keep the razor at a 45-degree angle for the most part. This lowers the likelihood of you cutting someone.